Here's what you can do to make your bathroom feel more like a spa.
Let's start with natural materials. Golden Elite products such as wooden vanities and stone countertops bring a sense of calm and nature to your bathroom. These elements are not only aesthetically pleasing but also help create a serene and welcoming environment. Neutral and relaxing colors are essential for a spa-style bathroom. Opt for soft tones like beige, white, and earth tones. You can combine it with a wide range of towels, rugs, and accessories in these colors, perfect for creating a tranquil and harmonious atmosphere. Lighting is a key to a spa bathroom. Soft and warm lighting can completely transform the space. You can complement the existing lighting with decorative mirrors and accessories that reflect light in a soft and cozy way. Small details make a big difference. Add aromatic candles, plants, and aroma diffusers to complete your spa bathroom style. And there you have it, everything you need to create your own spa bathroom with Golden Elite. Visit our website at goldenelitedeco.com to discover all of the products that complement the spa bathroom style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments down below. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.